Hello everyone. In this video I'll demonstrate how to use your Monzo ATM card. Let's dive right in. The first step is to find an ATM that accepts MasterCard. You can utilize online directories or mapping apps to locate one nearby. Once found, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Insert your Monzo ATM card into the designated slot on the ATM. Ensure the chip faces up or follows the ATM's indication. Now, Step 3. Enter your 4-digit PIN when prompted using the ATM keypad. Accuracy is key here to avoid any issues. Step 4. Select your transaction type on the ATM screen. This could include withdrawal, balance inquiry, or deposit. Choose withdrawal if you're looking to withdraw cash. And finally, Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the ATM. Enter the desired withdrawal amount, if applicable, and confirm your selection. The ATM will process your request and dispense the cash if you opted for a withdrawal. If you selected a different transaction type, the ATM will provide the relevant information or perform the requested action. And that's how you use your Monzo ATM card. Thanks for watching and peace out.